We are here today because the Children's Society invited us to the Chelsea Flower Show to see the Children's Society garden, which will be relocated to Leighton Buzzard Youth Centre.
The garden is essentially an outdoor version of Children's Society Time for Young People hubs, which are centres around the country that the Children's Society have been opening, which offer mental health support to young people. So the garden is a gentle space, it's a calm space, it's a space of sanctuary and safety for young people. As you move through the garden then into the back of the garden begins to sort of tighten up slightly in the planting, but the planting becomes gentler, calmer. The garden effectively gives you more and more and more of a hug, and essentially gives you that sort of feeling of safety.
We're really proud that this extraordinary garden of the Chelsea Flower Show is going to relocate to the Youth Centre in Leighton Buzzard, and we're really grateful for our partnership with Central Bedfordshire Council. There's so many messages in this garden for young people. There's a garden that talks about beauty and imperfection. So many young people are scrolling their phones, looking at pictures, thinking, I need to look like this and I'm going to be perfect. This garden says, no, you are perfect as you are. Everything's recycled. This garden talks about second chances.
Once the garden is installed at Leighton Buzzard Youth Centre, it will be available to use by all of our community groups, our CPC teams, our voluntary sector partners, and we're so excited to see how we can use it for all sorts of wellbeing activities and really serve the youth in Leighton Buzzard.
Young people from that centre have been involved in helping design this garden, some of the glasswork in the trellis, they painted it, and they will be able to use this garden. Generations of young people will use this garden.